restoring native plants and habitat in the Makauwahi Cave Preserve, Kauai, Hawaii. You really have to hand it to these volunteers. They have cleared acres and acres of invasive plant species and replanted this whole area, including the cave, the sinkhole, the beach, the upslope, all the landscapes that you see here with native plants. They have done an exceptional job, and it's a model for many other communities and natural areas. Again, as a geographer, I absolutely love this. It's also a beautiful, beautiful area, as you can see here. And I highly encourage you to get involved with your local land trust and other organizations that are active in this area. Thanks. Get out there, do some volunteer efforts, and restore native landscapes.